Dear students, greetings. Today I am going to teach about legal aspects of business and technology. The subject course code is Law 291. I am Dharmaraj Pokhrel. Today let's discuss about concept of legal environment. The legal environment refers to all the legal systems that affect business activities and business forms. It consists of a collection of acts, rules, and regulation. Here, my dear students, the legal environment means all the legal systems that affect business activities. It is related to business activities done by businessmen or stakeholders. In other words, legal environment means the surrounding connected with law. It means the surrounding where we can find laws to regulate business activities is also known as legal environment. Law is pervasive. It interacts with and influences the political, economic, and social system. It controls and regulates all human activities and businesses. It defines what business activities can and cannot do. Legal environment is connected with protecting the rights and interest of clients, contractors, employees, and society. Now, what we came to know is that the environment surrounded with law, that is called legal environment. Yes, my dear students, we people are surrounded by different rules and regulations, acts and laws. Okay, without laws we cannot continue our life. Yeah, that's why law is environment. That's why there should be legal environment to carry out business activities. Dear students, now let's talk about what is the legal environment of business. The laws that are passed by the government for business operation, which regulate and control all business activities, are called legal environment of business. Yeah, the laws that are passed by the government, you know very well, every law is formulated by the respective state for continuing for regulating all the business activities. Likewise, the laws which are made by government to regulate business activities is known as legal environment of business. The government regulates the business according to its defined priorities with the help of the legal system. The legal system of a country is framed by the government. In every country, the government regulates business activities. These regulations of government are considered as a legal environment. As I told you earlier, you know, every business activity is controlled and regulated by the respective state. Okay, and with the help of laws made by the state, every economic or business activity is done by the respective people. In practice, legal and regulatory goes hand in hand. The limits for business operations are decided by the regulatory environment, and this is also called legal environment. Yeah, in practice, legal and regulatory goes hand in hand. Okay, only having laws are not sufficient. Okay, they need to be implemented. Okay, that's why legal system and you can say regulatory, they go hand in hand. Thereafter business activities can be done in a smooth way. Dear students, now let's talk about the definition of legal environment of business. Well, students, till now, we can't find the universal definition of legal environment of business. But Some of the experts have tried their best to define legal environment of business. Kunz and Fulmer defined as legal environment are the various laws, court decisions, and governmental regulations that influences our lives and business operations. This is the definition given by Kunz and Fulmer. Likewise, Professor Dr. Prem R. Pant, he defines the legal environment of business as business environment refers to the framework of laws and regulations in Nepal. It promotes or restrains the business activities. It influences business policies in practices. As we discussed earlier, you know, no business activity can be controlled and regulated without rules and regulations. To regulate them, to control them, and to make their functions more effective, some rules and regulations are essential. That's why these rules and regulations are made by the government of the very country. Okay, the respective firm is not responsible to make rules and regulations to regulate and control business activities. And you can say these external laws are made by the country's government to control a firm and ensure proper functioning. Also, it becomes the responsibility of the company to follow the rules created by legislative, executive, presidential, and customary laws that influence the public intuitions, business organizations, and their activities. Yes, you know very well, my dear students. Only formulating rules and regulation is not sufficient. They need to be implemented. They need to be followed by the stakeholders. Thereafter, business activities can be run smoothly. Thanks for watching.